Hi, this is Brian from the Silverstream office, and today I'm here with Aaron and Lewis from Stonewood Homes, and they're going to share with you their top building tip. So, over to you, Aaron.
Thank you. Our top building tip is be prepared. Come in with a list of your items that you want and categorise those into your needs, wants and must-haves. That way we can really design and tailor-make a package and a home specifically for you. We've got this really great planner book that helps you go through that, and when you bring that in, we can design the house to suit.
Yeah, I love that idea of the needs, the wants, the must-haves. Does that really help with working with a client who has a certain budget in mind?
Yes, it actually allows us to customise the plan and building materials to suit their budget requirements.
Awesome, yep, and great idea to have a planner, send them off, get prepared.
Definitely.
Cool, hey, thank you very much for coming in.
No, thank you.
Thank you.